County until 5:45 p.m. At 5 p.m., Sophia thunderstorm was located near Petersburg, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This Sophia thunderstorm will be near Carson around 5:10 p.m. Distant Tanta around 5:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the Sophia thunderstorm include Newville, Richard Bland College, Burgess, Templeton, Booker, Weems, and Prince George Gulf. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.